Hi everyone, welcome back today for my English learning journey. And today I'm talking about how to think in the English and stop translating Hindi to English in your mind. So let's start. I saw there are multiple people during the conversation. He is stuck and they feel like nervousness because they think always native language like Hindi, and he use always the translating Hindi to English. But I want to share 5 steps by which you can use and then apply it ourselves, and then it would be improved for ourselves. So first step I want to share for you: name think around in the English. Firstly, look around you, like fan, table, everything. What are you seeing and looking in the around yourself? Then you can use to the our English conversation. Like for example, this is a car, this is a fan, this is a bike, this is everything. What are you saying? You can use and implement for our English communication, and gradually it would be improvement for our life. And second, I want to share, speak your daily routine, your life. Firstly, you wake up early in the morning, and then you can say, I wake up early in the morning, and then I do exercise, and I want to go the college, and I am getting ready to the college. Everything you can say for the hour during the college and wake up early in the morning. And third, I want to say, stop translating for the English. You don't translate, you only think imagination. For like you walking to the outside, and then you think weather is a weather is a pleasant, and weather is a very good, and I am going to the market, and I am going to the everything. Just you imagination by which your mind is the trend, and after some time your mind gradually understanding what you want to say, and then it will be improvement for the our English communication. And next I want to share, practice think without speaking. You don't practice and the speaking is just like imagination. For like you are watching something video, and you are going to the anywhere, just imagination. I am doing something, I want to something, everything. I want to purchase something, everything. You can just imagination, don't speak, and don't the everything is just imagination. This is the third step. And the fourth step I want to say, use English while the messaging. For example, if your friend is sending message, then you can try to reply in the message English way, because when you are the giving message in the English way, then our mind is the understanding what you want to send and what you want to understand. This is the more important. You every time you trying to understanding English, and every time to try to speak aloud of the English. And it is the more important for the every English learner. And so friend, stop worrying about the English grammar, start building small and thinking in the English. And remember, it okay to be solved. And first, just don't stop. Thank you, share, thank you watching for my video. See you soon next video.